In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom emoji on Slack. Custom emojis are a great way to add personality to your Slack workspace, but they can also be genuinely useful for teamwork. A custom emoji can help your team quickly flag updates, react to messages in a consistent way, or build simple visual shortcuts for common tasks. Before you begin, make sure your image is ready. For the best results, crop it into a perfect square. Keep the file size under 128 kilobytes and use a PNG, JPG, or GIF format. Transparent PNG files usually look the cleanest. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once you're inside your workspace, click into any channel, private conversation, or direct message. Then click inside the message box and look to the right side for the smile or emoji icon. Select it to open the emoji picker. In the lower area of that panel, click the option that says Add Emoji. If you don't see that option, there is another route you can use. Go to the top left area of Slack and click your workspace name to open the main menu. From there, open Settings and Administration, then choose the Customize Workspace option. Slack will open a browser page that takes you directly to the emoji management area. On that page, click Add Custom Emoji. Next, you'll see the Upload window for your new emoji. Click Upload Image, then browse your computer and choose the square image file you want to use. Once you've selected it, click Open to upload it into Slack. After that, move down to the field labeled Give it a name. This is where you'll create the shortcut people will type to use the emoji. Make sure the name is unique, written in lowercase, and entered as one continuous string with no spaces or capital letters. Using a simple, clear name makes it easier for everyone in your workspace to remember. When the name is ready, click Save. Now it's time to test it. Go back to your Slack workspace and open any channel or conversation where you want to try it out. Click into the message box and type your new emoji code using colons on both sides, then press Enter. Slack will process the upload and display your custom emoji right in the conversation. And that's it. Your custom emoji is now live and ready to use in messages and reactions across your workspace. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the